So tell me about this garden. Why is it important?
Well, we started about 4 years, our community garden, and we've grown every year. We have a lot more members this year, and we have kids involved in helping with the garden, and it's something that gives back to the community. We grow the vegetables and give them away to the community and to the food bank in Blawnox.
And what do you hope that the kids get out of from planting bulbs today?
I hope they learn how to plant flowers and how to start their own garden someday.
How important is it for you to have kids working in the garden?
It's very important because they're our next generation. They have to continue what the older people know about gardening.
All right, today we're going to be planting some bulbs, and these are daffodils. So this little brown thing here actually is going to be a flower in the spring. We put them in the ground now, and you see where the roots are? That part goes down, okay? And all we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole with this, and everybody's going to get a chance to do this. Don't worry about it. Abby's going to help out here. Now, Abby, you've done this before, right?
Yeah.
And you've seen the flowers bloom.
Yep.
And?
They're pretty.
Okay, that's what we wanted to hear. So we're going to make some pretty flowers, but it's not instant. We're going to do this now, and then they come up in the spring. Who wants to be the first person to work this thing? Is it going to be you? Everybody's going to get a chance. Okay, we'll work out, and I'll show you how we do it. All right, Lucas, I'll show you how to do one, and then you'll do it, okay?
Okay.
It's very easy. Just do this. And now we get a bulb. Where are our bulbs?
Oh no.
All right, there we go. And we take this, and we put it down just like that, and we just kind of cover it up like that. It's all yours. Okay, you only got 100 to do, though, all right?
Okay.
Stay down low. Good. Use 2 hands. There you go, good. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's perfect. All right, throw one in. Do you know which side to put down?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Roots down.
Good.
Yes, and press the button. Whoa, okay. Somebody give her a bulb. Put it back here. Roots up. Put it in the dirt.
Okay, who had fun?
Me.
What was the best part? You like the drilling? Okay. You going to come back here in the spring and see the flowers?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for coming out today, guys. Appreciate it. A big thank you to flowerbulbs.com for providing the bulbs and letting us here at Blawnox Community Garden beautify this great garden. Now, flowerbulbs.com doesn't sell bulbs, but they have the same mission that I do, and that's why I work with them, to get people to plant bulbs, and we had fun doing it.